3 ways to prepare for the refinance process. Tyler, the home loan guy here, and there is probably going to be a refinance opportunity within the next 12 or 18 months, if not shorter than that. Now, you want to make sure you're prepared for that process. So it's going to be very similar to a normal purchase mortgage. You are definitely going to want to make sure that your income is solid and stable. Don't change jobs. Don't go from salary to hourly or salary to commission. Don't open a new business. Make sure that your income is stable. Now, the second tip that you're going to want to do is credit score. Your credit score is obviously important when you're getting a mortgage, and it's even more important when you get a refinance because typically refinances are driven by interest rate. So to get the best interest rate, you are going to want to have the best credit score possible. So make sure you are working on paying off some debt and also increasing your credit score. If you have any derogatory marks, get them removed. Definitely clean up your credit report so you have the best rates possible for you. Now, the third thing is know your numbers. I have tons of people that call me during refinances and they don't even know what their interest rate is, what their payment is, where they want their payment to be. These are important numbers to know so that you can not only determine if it's a good time to refinance for you, but then also to see if it hits your goals. In a general rule of thumb, and it depends on the size of your mortgage, you're gonna want to save at least 3/4 of a point on your interest rate. So that's 0.75% on your interest rate before refinancing. Now, this is just a rule of thumb, so everybody's a little different. It could be more like 1 point, could be 1.25, or if you have a really large mortgage, it could be a 0.5 point, makes sense. But knowing your numbers is gonna be really important because on a refinance, it's all about the numbers and making sure it's worth it. If you have any questions, definitely send me a message.